Hello and good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us. Every time I go live, I just realize my hair is like a big mess. Okay, this is no, whatever. Okay, so I mean, it looks perfect right before I go live, but as soon as I go live, I start to see all these like weird things about my hair, about my eyes, about my nails. Like, wow, something's wrong there. Let's fix this. Let's fix this. So, anyhow, it's great to be live once again, and welcome to the Leena Shah Show right here on Hum FM across Houston. And I have been getting some really, really awesome response for the live feeds and the live broadcasts throughout the week. And I'd like to thank you all for actually sharing. I've had a lot of people share the post, so thank you for sharing. And it's actually a simulcast. You can actually listen to this broadcast on in Houston and in Austin, while at the same time you can actually watch this broadcast on the Hum FM radio official page. You can watch my friends can watch it on my Facebook page. Hello, hi, hi, hi. And then obviously my fan page, which is the Leena Shah, it's being simulcasted. So yeah. So it's being simulcasted a lot of places, and really excited with this two camera shoot because I think I just love it. Like if one of me wasn't enough, like we're having two of me. Okay, so it's a Friday, and my message for everybody who's watching this on Friday. And before I give you guys this message, I need to give this message to myself. Leena, sometimes there's so many things to do, but the most important thing to do on a weekend is taking care of yourself, spending time with yourself, taking a break, taking a breather, taking a few beauty naps, spending time with family and friends. Yeah, that's most important. Spend time with people who energize you. I mean, I need to remind myself this all the time. Instead, don't spend time with people who actually deplete you of your energy. Make sense? Spend time with people who actually energize you. And trust me, there are people who will energize you. Just need to find them if you haven't already. So have a wonderful Friday, TGIF, Juma Mubarak. It's the first Friday for the holy month of Ramadan. So yes, Juma Mubarak, ab sab logon ko. And tonight we have an event at Minas Couture. So I, along with the whole Hum FM team, is going to be there at Minas Couture as well. I am really looking forward to meeting you. So if you're in Houston, if you're watching this in Houston, come over to Minas Couture 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., followed by complimentary iftar and dinner at Bun Kebab. So please come and meet our team, meet me. You know, I'm really looking forward to these events. You know, finally stuff is happening. It's going to be pretty cool. Mira is going to be there. You can get some selfies with Mira. By the way, Kal Mira ka jo show tha, the interview that I did with film star Mira yesterday. Thank you so much. I appreciate for an awesome response. Until late night, I kept on getting all those comments and feedback from you, Leena. You know what? You talked about this. You talked about this. The interview with Mira yesterday was called Uninterrupted, Unleashed, and Uncensored. Uninterrupted because there were no commercial breaks. Unleashed because I unleashed myself in all my questions, and uncensored because Mira, she was very transparent. She was very open. If you missed it, so if you missed it, so what's going to happen? Well, we can talk about that later. I have no idea what to do if you missed it. Well, you missed it. So, okay, all right. So I'm going to be saying bye-bye and adios from this live, and wishing everyone a fantastic weekend. Hopefully we will get time for some nature bathing. Hopefully have some time for love bathing, you know, bathe ourselves in love and quality friendships and quality times with our loved ones and our family. I'm definitely looking forward to that. It's been like a crazy week, and you know the week has just like swished by. You know, I think this is happening all the time now. The time is swishing by so fast, like it's swishing by so fast, like you don't even get to hear the swish. Does it make sense? I don't know. Well, have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for joining. And I'm going to drop two of the platforms right here. Thank you so much for joining us on the official Hum FM page, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. And everybody who was actually watching this on my personal friends list, thank you so much. Okay, 1 second. Okay, access Swagat. That's the next song. Yes. I'm trying to operate the board and do the show at the same time. So yeah, all of my friends, thanks for being my friends. And yeah, if we haven't had a chance to catch up in a long time, say hello, please. Miss you all. Bye. Okay. So hi, Divano. What's up, guys? I'm sitting में और आप रह गए. And I gotta say a lot. Everybody on the left of the room go boom. And everybody on the right of the room go boom, boom, boom. Let's get some swag on right here. Not there is swag on, but some swag says swagat.